One of my subscribers recently put me onto a channel no one was talking about that's racking up views. Jim Rohn Motivation. They've got 264 videos and 200,000 subscribers, and several of their uploads have crossed 1 million views. That caught my attention, so I dug deeper into the niche and found another channel focused on Napoleon Hill. That one launched February 9, 2025, and with 175 videos, it's already at 187,000 subscribers. Amazing growth. Then I spotted Napoleon Hill's Wisdom, which started around March 2025 and has 143 videos with 135,000 subscribers. This is my rule of thumb. If I see 3 channels in the same niche doing really well, it's a niche worth testing. At the core, these channels are creating motivational, transformational, self-help videos. What makes them stand out is that they're using the voices of popular figures like Napoleon Hill and Jim Rohn to deliver original storytelling rooted in those figures' core values. It's a powerful blend. Timeless wisdom meets modern narrative. There's no better time to start than right now. You can make this kind of video in about 30 minutes, and I'm going to show you exactly how using AI tools. The best part? You don't need to be an expert on the niche or the public figure. And if you're worried about copyright, don't be. We're taking inspiration from the figure's work to make original content. I'll show you a workflow from topic generation and script writing to voiceover, editing, and as a bonus, thumbnail creation. I'll also share the prompts I use. Grab them in the WhatsApp group linked with this video. Before we dive into the steps, here's a quick demo I made in about 30 minutes so you can see how fast this comes together.
This is the truth about wealth. Character first, money follows. They told you wealth was numbers in an account, a car that signals arrival, a house with more rooms than memories. They told you wealth was winning the lottery of timing, talent, or connections. They were wrong. This is the truth. Money is the obedient shadow of your character.
Step 1. Choose your public figure. Pick a public figure with lots of books, talks, and documented ideas. And ideally findable voice samples online. I'm starting by asking ChatGPT to list the 20 most popular motivational speakers from the 90s. I picked the 90s because it's an interesting era, but you can choose any figure, just be creative. For this demo, I'm going with Og Mandino. Next, I'll ask ChatGPT how many books he wrote, just to confirm there's plenty of content to draw from. Then I'll head to YouTube to make sure there's video or audio of him speaking. There is, which is perfect for a later step. Step 2. Generate topics. Open the Google Doc I shared and copy the topic generation prompt. I'm using ChatGPT for this, and since ChatGPT 5 just dropped, we'll see how it performs. If you want a deep dive on the new features, I linked that video in the top right eye icon. With this prompt, you only need to tweak a couple of things. Replace the name of the public figure, clarify the type of content they're known for, in parentheses, choose the number of titles you want. ChatGPT's topics are usually solid. Scan the list and pick the one that piques your interest. Step 3. Write the script. Next is the script. I made this easy. Use the script builder prompt in the Google Sheet I provided. A few key notes about this niche. The average word count for these videos is about 4,000 words. Most AI text models struggle past 1,200 words in a single response. The prompt is designed to iterate in 1,200 word chunks so you get the full script without drop-offs or weird cut-offs. Copy the prompt into ChatGPT, scroll to the placeholder and paste in your chosen topic. Then hit enter and let it generate. I'm on ChatGPT 5, paid, which can sometimes expand the entire 4,000 words in one go. If you're on the free plan, just generate it in at least 4 parts of about 1,200 words each. Step 4. Create the voiceover. Now we generate the voice. For this niche, using a specific voice is key. Instead of picking a stock voice in 11 Labs, we want the voice to match the public figure you chose. Here's how I'm doing it with Og Mandino. Search YouTube for an uninterrupted talk by Og Mandino. Ideally, a video where only he's speaking. Use a YouTube to MP3 tool to grab the audio. I pick the first reputable option I find on Google. In 11 Labs, go to Voices Create/Clone, Instant Voice Clone. Upload the sample audio you downloaded and follow the steps. Click Preview Voice to test and tweak until it sounds right. Name the voice, add any notes, and save voice. Step 5. Prep visuals, upscale and remove background. We'll need a clean image of the figure for the video. Go to Google Images and search the person's name. Some photos may be low-res or older. No problem, use upscale, free at the time of this recording, to enhance the image. Upload the photo to Upscale AI. Choose the Clear Boost model. It works well on real photos. Once you've upscaled the image, remove the background. You can use any background remover. I like Voodoo AI for this step. One more crucial element. These videos typically feature a real quote from the public figure. I provided a quote extraction prompt. Paste it into ChatGPT. Swap in your figure's name and topic, and pull a relevant quote to open your video. Step 6. Edit in CapCut. Open CapCut and import your assets. The voiceover you generated, the upscaled background removed image. Go to Effects and then click on Black Noise and extend that all the way through to the end of your video. Timeline setup. Drop the voiceover onto the timeline. Go back to the Google Doc and grab the last prompt. I see that most of the YouTube channel that are a part of this niche start their videos with a quote. We are going to add the quote that we generated from ChatGPT into the first 7 seconds of our video. Set the text to all caps. Open case and choose uppercase. Pick fonts that fit the tone. Tighten pauses in the voiceover so it feels natural. Background. Go to your library and then go to Trending. In CapCut, grab a black background and place it beneath your text and image layers. Speaker image. Add the public figure image to the timeline. Position and scale it for a clean, balanced composition. Optional texture. Add film grain footage or a subtle overlay on top to give it a cinematic feel. Captions. Go to Text Auto Captions and click Generate. Then open templates and pick a caption style you like. That's the base build. Clean, repeatable, and fast. Bonus step, thumbnail creation. The final step is creating the thumbnail. Head over to our Google Doc and grab the final prompt. Paste that prompt into ChatGPT to generate your thumbnail text. Now open Canva, go to Menu, Create Thumbnail, click on the background and set it to black. Upload the image you downloaded, then copy the text from ChatGPT and paste it into your Canva design. Feel free to adjust the font and text color. Next, highlight part of your text using a quick workaround. In Canva, I haven't found a direct way to add a text background, so here's what I do. Copy the text you want to highlight, then paste it to create a duplicate. Select the duplicated text. Go to Effects, Background, turn background on, and choose your color. Here, I'm using red. Now, add the name of the public figure you're using and place it at the bottom of your title. Click on the image of the public figure, go to Edit, Shadows, Glow. Change the glow color to white, then adjust the size, transparency, and blur until it looks clean and balanced. When you're done, click Share or Download. Choose PNG as the file type, hit Download, and your thumbnail is ready. All the prompts I used, the topic generator, script builder, and quote extractor are in the WhatsApp group linked with this video. That's it. You can build one of these videos in about 30 minutes when you follow this workflow. Choose a figure, generate topics, write a 4,000-word script in manageable chunks, clone a voice, and do a clean CapCut edit with a quote opener, solid background, tight captions, and a strong visual of the speaker. There's real demand in this niche, and you've seen multiple channels proving it. If you want me to share my exact project file and thumbnail template, drop a comment, and I'll make it available in the group. Let's build